Political tensions in KwaZulu-Natal have reached a boiling point after the National Freedom Party (NFP) dropped a bombshell announcement withdrawing from the Government of Provincial Unity, a move that could unravel the fragile coalition keeping Jacob Zuma's Umkhonto Party out of power. The NFP, one of four coalition partners alongside the Inkatha Freedom Party, African National Congress and Democratic Alliance, accused Premier Thami Ntuli's administration of wasteful spending and poor oversight. The party's leadership said the coalition had failed to deliver meaningful reviews or accountability, prompting that decision to side with the Umkhonto Party instead. Their withdrawal has sent shockwaves through the GPU, formed after the tightly contested May 2024 elections, in which no party secured a majority. Despite Umkhonto Party emerging as the single largest party in KwaZulu-Natal, the IFP, ANC, DA and NFP united to block it from governing, a move hailed then as a victory for political cooperation, but now mired in mistrust and infighting. DA provincial leader Francois Rogers admits the coalition is under pressure, but says Umkhonto Party's relentless campaign to topple it has ironically strengthened the alliance's resolve, and that the wolf from Gandla is at the door. Nxamalala Jacob Zuma is knocking with Umkhonto Party, and that keeps us focused. We ask ourselves, what's the alternative? Rogers said the threat of an MK-led government, possibly in partnership with the EFF, has kept coalition partners vigilant, and said what's interesting about this coalition is that we do oversight on each other. Everyone's watching everyone, and that's not necessarily a bad thing. However, he considered that dissatisfaction exists within all parties involved, including his own, and said there are unhappy voices, no doubt, but we understand the stakes. Handing KwaZulu-Natal to MK or the EFF is not an option. Meanwhile, Zuma's Umkhonto Party has seized the opportunity to tighten the screws. The party's leadership held a strategic meeting in Durban this week to chart their next move, including a possible motion of no confidence in Premier Ntuli. MK leaders accused the GPU of failing ordinary citizens, citing collapsing service delivery and mismanagement across municipalities, and said this coalition was built to keep us out, not to serve the people. Now it's crumbling under its own contradictions. With the NFP's endorsement, Umkhonto Party believes it has the momentum to reclaim political dominance in the province, potentially reshaping KwaZulu-Natal's landscape ahead of the 2026 local government elections. The GPU has called a series of urgent meetings to manage the fallout and prevent a complete collapse. Sources within the coalition describe rising tensions between the IFP and ANC, the two largest partners, over budget priorities and alleged wasteful expenditure. Political analysts say the NFP's exit could be a tipping point, and that the coalition was always fragile. Without the NFP, its parliamentary arithmetic becomes extremely vulnerable, and Umkhonto Party is waiting in the wings. As KwaZulu-Natal braces for another seismic political shift, Rogers insisted that despite the turbulence, the coalition remains committed to stability. But with Zuma's Umkhonto Party circling and allies turning into adversaries, the province's political future now hangs by a thread. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.